In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed widgets to Notion for free using Indify, and we'll get it all done in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're a Notion newbie or a seasoned user looking to spruce up your pages, adding widgets can really enhance your productivity and provide a dynamic feel to your workspace. First off, we'll need to head over to Indify's website. Once you're there, logging in or creating a free account is your first step. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry, the sign-up process is straightforward and completely free. Having access to Indify means unlocking a suite of free widgets that you can easily integrate into Notion. Once logged in, start browsing through the collection of available widgets. Indify offers several options, such as clocks, weather widgets, habit trackers, and more. Take your time to explore and select the one that best suits your needs. Remember, the goal is to enhance your Notion page, so think about what might be most useful. After you've chosen a widget, the next step is customization. This is where you get to tweak the appearance, settings, and content of your widget to match your personal style or the aesthetic of your Notion page. Spend a few moments ensuring it's just right, as these customizations will make your widget feel more integrated and personalized. At the bottom of this customization interface, you'll find a unique embed link. Copy this link as it's your key to adding the widget to Notion. With the link copied, navigate to the Notion page where you'd like to add your new widget. In Notion, you'll want to use the embed command. Begin by typing embed in the Notion page's empty space, and you'll see an embed block pop up. This is the feature we'll use to bring your widget over. Once you've selected the embedded block, paste the link you copied from Indify right into the text field provided. After pasting your link, go ahead and click the Embed Link button. This action prompts Notion to load the widget directly within your page. Once it appears, you have the flexibility to resize it by dragging its corners, ensuring the widget blends seamlessly into your existing layout. You can also move it around the page to suit your desired location. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps and a bit of customization, you've successfully integrated a functional and aesthetically pleasing widget into your Notion page. Enjoy your newly enhanced productivity space, and feel free to continue exploring other widgets that might add value to your daily processes. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing!